You've connected the Figma MCP to cursor, you prompted the easing, and the code it spits out looks nothing like your design. You're probably thinking, is the Figma MCP even worth it? Before you give up, give that thought a pause. The problem is not the AI, it's the input. When cursor queries a design, it's only as good as the structure of your design system. If your system is a mess, the AI is just guessing. Hence, you need to create designs in a way that is very explanatory and easy for AI to understand. This is called Deterministic Design to Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to structure your Figma files in a way that the handoff to your AI assistant is predictable, repeatable, and pixel perfect every single time. Let's look at how to make your designs more deterministic. Component architecture. A well-defined architecture helps make your design system very organized. You should centralize components like colors, buttons, and give them a hierarchy. Then only use them as a reference in the design. When coding assistants queries your design through MCP, if you do not have any architecture, every single component is treated separately. For example, the coding assistant is not likely to treat even same sized and same colored button as the same type of button. This compromises consistency. First, create a very robust token system. Second, try to convert everything into a component. Third, map to code using Code Connect. This third step is optional, but this could be really useful for design systems that are very mature. Alright, now you have your component architecture nailed down. The structure is there, but for the AI to truly understand intent, you need to speak its language. This brings us to semantics. Think of it this way. Components tell the AI what an object is. Semantics tell the AI how it should behave. Now, how to enforce semantics? Use variables, not raw values when it comes to things like colors, spacing, radius, and basically everything. Use intent-driven names. If you leave layers as frame 45 or group 2, the AI has to guess. But if you use hierarchy-based naming, labeling your frames clearly, you are giving the AI a clear map. Use the Dev Mode accessibility panel to assign semantic tags. In design, we can use Figma's annotation feature in Dev Mode to label your elements. 4. You should also apply modes for theming. Don't design separate frames for separate themes like dark modes. Next, layout structure. The Figma layout is essentially the skeleton of your future code. The AI simply translates that structure into CSS. That means if we want clean code, we have to design with the wave in mind. Few things you want to make sure. Use auto layout and avoid groups. First, clear up your groups. A group is just a container without rules. Instead, use auto layout. It gives the AI clear instructions. Use semantic resizing. Next, avoid dragging frames to random fixed sizes. Use the resizing constraints to describe behavior. Flatten vector assets. If you have a complex illustration made of 50 different paths, flatten it into one layer. Optimization. At last, you need to make sure your design is optimized for AI. Once your design is finalized, make sure to delete unnecessary things. You should also have dedicated playgrounds instead of infinite canvas. There should be signals, but not noise.